Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to overclock your original Xbox in 2019. Be warned, as this has the potential to brick your Xbox, so please be careful. You're going to need the following: an original Xbox that has either been T-SOP flashed or mod chipped, which will not work on a soft modded console, a copy of your current T-SOP BIOS or mod chip BIOS. You also need a backup of your current T-SOP BIOS or mod chip BIOS, just in case your overclock does cause issues, as going too high on your overclocking can cause boot problems. XB Overclock from GitHub, the link will be in the description. An internet connection to the FTP to BIOS file over onto your Xbox. I use FileZilla, but you can use whatever FTP program you use. You also then need a BIOS flashing program. I use XBlast OS, but you can use whatever program you use. Please be warned that I do not recommend flashing the overclocked BIOS onto your T-SOP and rather onto a mod chip. For this video, I'll be using my mod chip's 1.6B Xbox with an Aladdin chip. The first step is to download the XB Overclock software from GitHub. I provided the link to the download in the description. You will then want to get a copy of your current Xbox's BIOS. This can easily be found on your Xbox, but for today's video I have kept a backup of it on my computer. Once you have downloaded the XB Overclock from GitHub, you want to extract it to anywhere on your desktop or whatever suits you. You will then copy your current original Xbox's BIOS into the folder where XB Overclock is currently placed. You will then want to go into your search bar and open up Command Prompt with Administrator Access. Then type in this command: replace the file directory with your own. The next step is to type in XB Overclock. This will show a help menu with the commands. The NV command controls the Xbox's GPU clock. I do not recommend going over 280 MHz on the GPU clocks, as I've experienced boot problems with anything over 280 MHz. The FSB command controls the speed of the Xbox's front side bus. This controls the RAM speed and the CPU speed from what I know. I managed to get 150 MHz on my front side bus. This can vary between Xboxes. You have to take in the factor of silicon lottery, that was a thing back in the early 2000s, and your cooling solution, as you should have replaced the Xbox's thermal paste. The O command is what we use to name the overclocked BIOS. For video purposes, I'm going to name my BIOS video.bin, but you can name it to whatever you want. Then you will want to put in the name of the BIOS that you have currently taken from your original Xbox. For example, mine is the Evo X BIOS, so put that in. With any luck, you'll want to have checked the folder where XB Overclock is. You should see that the program has made a new .bin file, whatever name you have put in. You will now want to FTP that over to your Xbox, so I will FTP mine into my C partition and then the BIOS folder here. Now go over to your Xbox and open up your BIOS flasher program. For this video, I'll be using XBlast OS as I've already installed it. Go into Settings, HDD Flash, and then choose the BIOS that the program had made. Do the prompt at the bottom and then wait for your BIOS to be flashed. Now that the Xbox has restarted, you can see the new clock speed that the Xbox is operating at now. As I'm running XBMC Origins, I will go into Settings, System Info, then Hardware. You can now see that my Xbox is running at 825 MHz over the stock 733 MHz. You cannot see what speed the NV2A chip is running at, but I'm pretty certain it is set to the speed that you set. Now that you have overclocked your Xbox, what can you do with it? The overclock only benefits homebrew apps such as Quake 3 Arena and emulators. Some retail games are now broken as you have overclocked, but if you're smart enough, you can flash back the stock speeds and play retail games no issues. Hope this video has helped all of you guys, and I hope you now have fun with your overclocked Xbox. Thank you for watching this video, see you in the next one.